on a bit of a jewelry shopping spree, because not exactly a spree because I didn't really buy that much, but you know, it's been a long time, guys. I just realized that it has been such a long time since I got some, you know, nice, dainty, elegant jewelry. I usually buy all this junk jewelry which is, you know, great for like a few time wear and then they just break and get lost and things like that. So this time I kind of wanted to buy something really nice because, like, honestly the last time I got this was during my wedding or even before that. So and I've been hearing about Sofil jewelry everywhere, like it's all over YouTube, it's all over the place. So yes, I'm going to talk about my Sofil jewelry buys today. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this disc ring shaped necklace, and it's so pretty, guys, because you know, you can actually get this personalized, and I feel like every girl deserves to have at least one jewelry piece which is, you know, which just reflects her personality, reflects who she really is, you know, what defines her, what just makes her happy. For me, this necklace was it. As you can see, the first line says 7, which represents the date on which God proposed, and then also the date of, you know, my wedding anniversary. So 7 is a very, very special date for me, for us, for our relationship. The next one says Lyra, which is, you know, obviously for my little puppy, who's, you know, she's my baby now. Like, I love her so much. And the last one, it's actually love, written in Hebrew. Oh, anyways, you know what I'm saying, right? So anyways, that's the word love, which is a little difficult to read, a little difficult to understand, just like love is. So, but then, you know, 7 and Lyra, they kind of represent love in my life. So yeah, basically that's the necklace. It's very personal, it's very special to me. That's just something which I wanted to share with you all. By the way, if you're wondering about the price and about the product link, I will share everything in the description box below. By the way, a lot of my Indian viewers ask me, Prachi, how do you pay in dollars? Guys, you just have to go and pay regularly. You know, if you have an international debit card, your bank will do all the conversions and everything themselves. You don't have to do anything. If you want to know the latest currency exchange rate, you can just Google it, like you know, if you want to know what $1 US in Indian rupees is, just type 1 USD in INR, which is for Indian rupees, and you can get the exact rate. Anyways, keeping all that boring stuff aside, I'll mention the current prices in INR as well as in dollar in the description box below. And now moving to the next jewelry piece. And the next jewelry piece is a really pretty snowflake necklace. I love snowflakes, guys. I love wearing snowflakes. I love snowflakes. The first time I saw a snowflake was when I was in Kashmir. It was so beautiful. So the moment I saw this necklace, I just felt like I had to have it. And then I have this infinity design earrings, which is again so beautiful. I love the quality of this earring. And it's just like one of those, you know, evergreen designs which you can never go wrong with. This is something which I can totally see a college girl, even a school-going girl wearing. This is something which I can see my 80-year-old grandma wearing. You can really, you know, never go wrong with this earring. It's timeless, it's ageless, it's so beautiful and such a beautiful investment. And finally, guys, I have this Whirlpool design necklace, which I'm gonna match with my Whirlpool design earrings. So as you can see, guys, this necklace has a little pearl in the center, just like the earrings, which also have little pearls in the center, which again is such a timeless, such a classy design, and especially great for Indian outfits. You know, I think this is definitely something which is very good for all of those times when you want to dress traditional but you don't want to wear heavy jewelry. I think this is something which would totally go on those days. Now, one of the things which I feel like I absolutely must mention about Sofil is that the jewelry contains 925 sterling silver. It's not like, you know, your regular junk. It's actually something which you invest in, which you buy, and which you keep for a very, very long time. Also, the packaging is so great. It actually makes for a great holiday gift, great Mother's Day gift, great gift, you know. Like, this is something which I would definitely want to give to my mother on her birthday, or my mother-in-law on her birthday, or just, you know, like my favorite aunt on a really nice festival or something like that. Especially because of the packaging. Like, you can get this in a white box. You can even pack it in a little bag like this, which it comes with. Plus, you can also get these blue velvet bags, which are again so elegant, so pretty. You can just, like, you know, pack a little pendant, a little earring in this, and it just looks so beautiful. Plus, I actually got shipping free, which I think is such a big concern when you're buying things internationally. if you actually make purchases worth $49 or above, you can get free shipping. So I think that is again something which is really cool. Plus you can actually return the stuff within the next 365 days. Return and replace, you know, for the whole year that you actually get this thing. So that again I think is a very good privilege, especially because, you know, once again you're buying things internationally, you want to be sure that what you're getting is right and that what you're getting is something which will work for you. And talking about working for you guys, I actually have a 10% off code which I'll just share in the description box below if you want to buy something for yourself. So you can, you know, buy the stuff, give the stuff and get a 10% off whatever you want. I'll just put all of those details in the description box below. So guys, with that I'm gonna end today's video now. If you like the products which I've picked up, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and you know, follow me on my social media. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you again soon, very very soon, next time. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Actually love written in Hebrew. Oh, anyways, you know what I'm saying, right? And that is that, okay? These things, you know, they just came. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. What was I saying? One of the best things about this, one of the best things that I felt about, one of the things which I feel like is that guys, is that the jewelry contains jewelry piece or something of that sort. Oh god.